Arizona to Utah, back to Arizona to California, back to Arizona. Here we go.
This is the coolest place in the whole
Park.
park.
Hi, today is February 17th. I have a busy week, like weekend into next week, so I wanted to vlog. I got a new camera, so I'm trying to try it out. On Friday, after work, I have a flight to Utah to go visit my sister, and we're gonna go see High School Musical at the high school where they originally filmed it. They're doing a production there for the 20th anniversary, and we're gonna go see it. So I fly in on Friday, see the show on Saturday, and then I fly home on Sunday to immediately get picked up from the airport and drive to Disneyland. Then we're in Disneyland 2 days, and then we drive home. I have to pack for Disneyland before I leave for Utah and have my suitcase ready for my parents to take. I wrote down like my itinerary in this notebook, and then I wrote down, this is gonna look crazy, all the things I need to pack and take, and put little check mark boxes next to them so I can plan. And as I pack stuff, I'll mark it off depending on like which suitcase it goes into. I'm also turning 30 in 11 days from today. I'm trying to do new stuff in this new era of life. I'm not going to be in my 20s anymore, and I'm trying to do new things. So I want to get into vlogging, travel vlogging, because I have other trips coming up this year. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it turns out okay, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye to my stuff that's waiting to go to California. And here's my ride to the airport.
Stuff. She's super nervous.
Yep. Don't forget my pillow and blanket, please, that are there. Here we go.
Beautiful Arizona weather to go to the freezing cold Utah. No. With only one jacket.
Yeah, I couldn't fit any other jackets in my bag because I'm just bringing personal items. So I have one jacket that I'm wearing on the plane, and it's gonna be freezing, actually freezing. Like the low on one day is like 20 degrees. So hopefully we won't be spending any time outside and I'll be okay. It's officially 1:10 in the morning. I just washed my face. I'm gonna put my hair up and go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. We're on our way to go see High School Musical at the high school where they originally filmed it. Hopefully it's good. It's a high school production, but they said in the paperwork thing, like the information flyer, that they may have special guests. So maybe we'll see someone from the show. We're at East High, you can see it up there. We just saw a performance by one of the cast. We're gonna watch another performance in just a few minutes. Yeah, there's not a star in heaven. hard. Making your fry sauce.
We went on Thunder Mountain last night. It was fun.
We're in Art of Animation. We're gonna go do the Animation Academy and draw a picture. I think we're doing Tiana.
This is the coolest place in the whole
Park.
park.
That's good though. It's like kind of like Pog.
Like what?
Pog, passion fruit, orange, and guava. My trip. I didn't film a ton at Disneyland because one, I'm shy and I was afraid to film in public and talk to the camera, but also I got sick, so I wasn't feeling super well to record everything. I was just trying to feel my best to enjoy the time that I was there. Hopefully next time I'll be able to record more. I'll become less worried about what people think of me recording in public, but I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one.